Hey everyone, welcome to another video that I wasn't expecting to have to make anytime soon, but here we are. I got into a very minor car accident yesterday, and car's pretty well fucked. So I'm going to make a video replacing all the stuff that got fucked, and I'm also doing a couple other things while I'm at it. As you can see, that this wheel isn't in line anymore. So we're going to replace the control arms because they're fucked, and the knuckle this side isn't, well, there's no rim on this side, but this side isn't really that bad. Like, it doesn't do what the other side does. So we're just gonna leave this side as is. We've measured the cradle and to the frame and such, and that all seems to be fine. Just over here, it's like 20 millimeters out. We compared it to that thing, so we're hoping that this is the only thing that we need to replace, is just the suspension on this side, and we're just hoping that we haven't missed any damage to the frame or anything, because obviously this is my daily. I don't want this getting written off. I also fucked the power steering in the accident. Doesn't really move at all anymore. Driving this home was an absolute head fuck. I shouldn't have drove it home, but I didn't have the money to get it towed, so just made it home, and surprisingly I'm still in one piece. So yeah, gonna fix the control arms on that. Replace them, and we're going to replace the power steering rack. While we're under there, we're also going to change the springs in the front from double SLs to SLs, and we need to replace the shocks on the front left side because they're blown, but that was from something else, that wasn't from this accident. And we're also going to take the high flow out of that and put it in this because it's still fine, and I need a high flow, so it saves me buying one. So all that's out now. We're about to take this ship box and go get the new replacement parts. Found a donor Fairlane because my car is IRS, so I need IRS suspension.
Not bad, huh? Well, Taylor's a bit preoccupied currently, so I'm just getting a few things done in the meantime. So I've just got the car in the air at the moment, and we're just going to pull out the springs because we got new springs over here, so we've got some SLs instead of double SLs that it's got. So we'll put in the new rear suspension, but it looks like the car needs a bit of an alignment, so the wheel's not kicked in anymore and it's not pushed in heaps far, but it is still not 100% perfect. And same with the other side, so you can see the other side's a little bit out that way at the top, the front. So yeah, we're going to try and have an alignment. Hopefully that fixes it. But worst case scenario, we'll probably just go get a whole new rear end put in it, or we'll put one in. But anyway, you're going to get a few things done while Taylor's a bit preoccupied, as I said. So yeah, take the suspension out and then prepare the new power steering rack down there to go into the front of this. So I'm sure she'll come out soon enough and give me a hand anyway.
So we've installed the SL springs on the front. The back's done, obviously, as you would have seen in the previous clip from my partner. We've got the dark argents back on, like the rims. We did the power steering rack, oil pressure switch. That's all done, working again. We're taking it in to go get a line tomorrow, and hopefully that just fixes the back problem. Hopefully there's no body damage or anything. That's why I didn't do the first bit. That's why my partner repaired that, because I was in a in a little bit of a state about possibly, potentially losing my car. So now that that's all done, I spent like $130 on cleaning stuff. Obviously there's a bit more than what's just here. But, so I can give it a proper clean while we're at it. As you can see, she's fucking feral. I've got two young children who are disgusting, and I took out their car seats, and yeah, there's crumbs everywhere. She hasn't been detailed since I've owned her. And there's dust all up there. You can't see it too well on here. And then we're also gonna take it to be clean. Like, I'm gonna take it through the car wash at some point too, because when I went up on the gutter, obviously it got covered in dirt. And yeah. So I feel really bad. I'm just gonna show my car a little bit of love so that it knows I don't hate it and I didn't intentionally try to kill it. And yeah, we'll see where we go from there.
These things I hate this here. How the material pulls up. Friction especially. You don't think that's to have the 75s. Do you want that Java sticker removed?
Yes.
Yeah. Raise that around. Thing off. I should want. Well, you could use this a little bit anyway. What? We'll shoot it. Satisfying.
So, the camera makes it look like I haven't done fucking anything. I've been sitting in here, scrubbing at things, vacuuming at things, and the car looks just as fucking shit as I did when I began. But I'm not fucking sitting in there for another 20 years. There's like a million mosquitoes in here and I'm getting fucking eaten to death. So, wherever it's at now, it can stay, because I'm not going over this shit again. Hopefully next time I clean the car out, it'll come up better. But I've done all of this. All the dash is done. Up on top of the dash is done. Shifter's done. Handbrake in the cup holders. Down there is soaking at the moment. All the door cards are done. I don't know if I already said that or not, but I have now. No, they're not fucking done. They're still dusty as shit. I need to do all the pillars. He's helping me because I fucking suck at this. I need to go over all the windows. And I still need to go over all the seats with this. Which is what I'm about to do now.
The interior clean real quick.
So the back seat is done. You can still see all the fucking dust floating around in here, even though we've been in here for ages cleaning this shit. But I give up with that. Back seat is supposed to be done You can probably tell I've never fucking detailed a car in my life until now. Because, yeah, it looks like I haven't done nothing. There's something over here where my daughter sits that won't come off. I have no fucking idea what that is. I want to get some glass cleaner and do the windows. I don't know if I mentioned that, but I would like to do that. I really need to get the tint redone on this. Well, you can't really see it all that well, but it's very bubbled. So I need to go get all the tint redone. I have an exhaust leak in the car at the moment, which I need to replace. Like, figure out what's wrong with and then replace. And it's like a brand new exhaust, so I have no idea why it's doing that. I'm going to be getting the car repainted as well, because obviously you can see the paint's, again, atrocious. You may remember from earlier I said I was going to take the high flow out of my rat rod. Turns out my car already has a high flow in it, so I don't need to take it out of here. So the floor mats are all clean, thanks to my partner. I just sat down and done these. I'm getting attacked by fucking mosquitoes, crickets and spiders. So I'm putting these in the car and I'm fucking off inside. And he's probably going to finish doing the pillars. But yeah, she's looking good. Hi, fuckface. So the interior, like the whole detailing is completely finished. I didn't get around to doing the glass like I said I wanted to. But it is late and I seriously cannot be fucked. So I'm just going to leave it as is for now. We're taking it in to get an alignment tomorrow. And hopefully that sorts it out. Hopefully it's straight from there. Because if I've fucked the frame on the car, then obviously it'll be a write-off. And I really don't want to lose this car. This isn't my first car. This is just like the wagon out there, which you won't really be able to see right now. But my wagon was my first car, but this car is the first one I've actually driven of my own cars on the road. So I've sort of got a bond with it. Well, I love all my cars. And yeah, this is a 75th anniversary Fairmont. So it's not like I can just find another one laying around either, sort of thing. I can't replace my car, obviously. Anyone who owns a car, anyone who loves their car would know exactly what I mean. Like, even just reselling a car isn't going to be the same, so hopefully it's fine. And yeah, well, so that's all there really is for now. All I've got left to do is put my kids' car seats in, on either side, plug my USB back in, like plug my GPS in, and yeah, that's all there really is to do for now. I finished everything else for the day, and I know it was a bit of a boring video, but again, this was not a video I was expecting to have to make anytime soon, because obviously no one plans on crashing their fucking car. But it is what it is. Happened, fixed now, hopefully. And yeah, if you enjoyed the video, feel free to like and subscribe, all the usual cringy shit. Don't really know what else to say. But yeah, have a good night.